Introducing AWE Tuning's proprietary sound cancellation solution, 180 technology. An elegant concept that precisely identifies, isolates, and cancels out undesirable frequencies. As the exhaust gas enters our 180 technology-equipped resonator, it passes through strategically located ports. By controlling the size and location of the chamber and ports, we control when the sound waves re-enter the ports to join the free-flowing gases. By controlling the re-entry timing, we ensure that problematic tones are met with a 180-degree out-of-phase frequency. The sound produced by this formula is the perfect, exotic signature note. Unlocked performance and perfect tone every time. That's 180 technology by AWE Tuning.